Tapos ang sinabawang adobo. May sinabawan ka nga, may adobo pa. Chicken with atay and batikubong. Gusto ng mga bata. Ganyan, may sabaw. Ayun, mga laswata ka o crab. Mang ipo. Let's pick okras. Where else? Where else? Ayan guys, ang dami. Hagbok patama. Tapos may kasunod pa. Beautiful okra flower. Panupon, ginaulod, may bunga pa daad pa. Pwede rin sa suso sa langgaw. Sabihin ka mo dyan. Pak. Ayan, din to tayo. 14? Dito yung kita masulat ngaran? Iya. Ano ang dala mo? Ano tanara to? For me to go. Sit down. Kami na kailangan? Why ba? Ay, buhay pa siya. Maulat pag oras siya mabuta. May oras na? Ay, may oras. Ang bata? Manok-manok. Okay. Jaron gatras ro. Gatras ro kita. Bunggo anay.
I'm from the back end.
There's a Pepe.
How old is he?
You can get a song and put it on the top.
How old is she?
Pila ko ng edad
Pila
niya?
yan sa iyo, Carbaw.
10 years old?
Oh, he's old. She's old then. Oh, she wanna
You
go.
want, because she's... It's okay. I'm not going to eat you. No curry.
She's scared of you, honey.
Well, hey, Steve. I'm a...
Ate, sa ko.
She's very
Strong,
tired now because it's too
Di pa ni nagalin now?
heavy.
Di pa ni nagalin?
Babaw.
Oh, okay.
What is her name? What's her name?
Ha?
No name?
Wala ngalan. Let's see. We have to constantly pick this okra. So they continuously give you okra. Kahapon nag-pick din ako. See, this morning we bought calamansi. Ano tawag dito? Calamansi. What's this? Cuttings? They did marcot. It's marcoted calamansi. Ayan guys. And man, transplant them already.
Give it some fertilizer.
Not yet, maybe.
Yeah,
I was thinking put them in the big bucket.
I know. It's 10 gallons. I would.
Sudan naman. Ay, sudan. Merienda and then harvest ni Manaw. Rako ba? Oh, ay, sabi mo dyan pinamuol. Rako ba? And then, patani. This is actually Steve's. Ano tawag dyan? 5th day of no meat diet. And guys, this is kind of omelette. I'm going to make it like a burrito. There's cheese, malunggay in there, and salad toppings with corn and cheese. It's so delicious. And a whipped turtle.